Hello dear friends! Today we'll learn nature in Russian. Geographical objects, nature objects. Let's see. Nature, природа, природа. So what we have in nature all over the world? Forest, лес, лес. Mountain, гора, гора. Hill, холм, холм. It's small mountain. Waterfall, водопад, водопад. Field, поле, поле. There are many fields in Russia. Meadow, луг, луг. Desert, пустыня, пустыня. And water objects. River, река, река. Lake, озеро, озеро. Sea, море, море. And ocean, океан, океан. Island, остров, остров. That's all for today, and we'll continue in the next video. Bye!